Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Jenny Moswicin. I'm from 12 Science 3. Today I will explain about discussion text. What is discussion text? Discussion is the text which present a problematic resource. This problem will be discussed from different points of view. It presents pro and contra opinion on certain issue. The purpose of discussion text is to present argument and information from differing viewpoints. Discussion texts are usually written in the present tense. Discussion is a process to find the midpoint between two different ideas. It is important to get the understanding between the two differences. In many social activities, discussion is the effective way to calm down any friction and difference in thought, perception, and recommendation. Okay, let's talk about the generic structure. The first, there's issue. Issue contains of statement and preview about something, and then argument for or supporting argument. After stating the issue, it is necessary to present the argument to support the one point is agreeing. And then there is argument against. Beside the supporting argument, discussion text needs the argument which disagree to the state issue. Next, there's recommendation or conclusion. It is used to tell how to solve issue by concerning the argument for and against. Okay, the next, let's talk about language feature. Introducing category of generic participant, there is relating verb or to be, for the example, is, am, are, etc. And then using thinking verb, for the example, feel, hope, believe, etc. The next, using additive, contrastive, and casual connection. For the example, similarly, on the hand, however, etc. And the next, using modalities. For the example, must, should, could, may, and etc. And then, using adverbial of manner. For the example, deliberately, hopefully, and etc. And then using conjunction or transition, for the example, although, even, if, etc. Okay, example of discussion text. The title is The Advantage and the Disadvantage of Nuclear Energy. The issue: nuclear energy is commonly offered as an alternative to overcome the crisis of energy. The debate of whether the use of nuclear energy is an appropriate choice has not come to an end. Some people agree with the utilization of it because its benefit. Some others, however, disagree because of its risks to the environment. The argument pro: those who agree with the operation of nuclear reactor usually agree that nuclear energy is the only feasible choice to answer the ever-increasing energy needs. In their opinion, the other sources of energy, oil, coal, and liquid natural gas, are not renewable and safe, while nuclear energy can be sustainable when produced in a safe way. The argument contra: however, people who disagree with the use of nuclear energy point out that the waste of nuclear products can completely destroy the environment and human life. A meltdown in a reactor, for example, usually results in the contamination of the surrounding soil and water. Take, for example, the blow up the nuclear reactor at the Chernobyl nuclear power station in Russia. 20 years ago. The serious contamination imperiled people and the environment severely. The conclusion: it is obvious that nuclear energy should be avoided because it really endangers the environment. But what about less polluted energy instead of nuclear energy? Is there any alternative energy to overcome the crisis of energy? Okay, I think that's all of my explanation of discussion text. I hope you will understand what I explained. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.